we're going to talk about our mini project report. Hi, my name is Puteri Shereen Sophia binti Muhammad Daud.
My name is Norfatin Amirah binti Muhammad Habibullah.
And I is Dayana Aisha binti Sharif.
So we're going to just start introduction with Nur Fatih Amirah.
Okay, so for introduction company background, NovaBiz Solutions Sendirian Berhad founded in 2016 in Selangor with branches in Johor and Penang. NovaBiz Solution provides office supplies, printing and business support to SMEs. The company has 85 employees and initially enjoyed steady growth thanks to low price and strong customer relationship. And over the past 2 years, rising competition and market shift have slowed their performance and threatened their competitive edge. And for vision and mission, the vision is to become a leading provider of business support solution in Malaysia, and the mission is to deliver quality products and services that satisfy customer needs while maintaining operational excellence. The vision and mission reflect the company commitment to becoming a trusted market leader by providing high quality business support solutions, achieving customer satisfaction and maintaining efficient business operations. Next, I'll pass to Putri.
So we're going to talk about the strategic management and its importance for NovaBiz Solution as PhD. Strategic management is the process of analyzing a business planning goals and executing them to stay competitive. For NovaBiz Solution, this is the key to solving 4 main problems such as declining revenue, rising competition, outdated digital service, operational inefficiencies. First stage of strategic management analysis, the first one is environmental scanning, analyzing internal and external factors, which is SWOT analysis. For NovaBiz, identifying what is causing the declining revenue, studying competitor, and pinpointing operational bottleneck. Next one, strategy formulation, develop a provide strategies to achieve organization goals. For NovaBiz, declining to expand digital service, improve customer care, and foster innovations to stand out. For the third one is strategy implementation, allocate resources effectively to support strategic initiatives. For NovaBiz, allocating budget, training, and 85 member staff, and upgrading daily operational workflow. The fourth one, strategy evaluation, monitor and evaluate the effectiveness of the implementing strategy. For NovaBiz, track sales and customer feedback to see if the new digital service are working, making quick fits where needed. So for the demonstrate all these industrial analysis for NovaBiz Solution as the NBHD, the PES analysis is political government support for SMT. The next one is demonstrate all these industry analysis for NovaBiz Solution as the NBHD, which is PES analysis. The first one is political. Government support for SME, digital transformation, and stricter OSH regulation. Impact is give NovaBiz a change to upgrade its digital tools while staying legally compliant. Next is economic. Rising inflation and global competition increase operating costs and reduce profitability. Profit are squeezed because low-cost international competitors are undercutting price, which is this rising inflation has increased the cost of raw material, transportation, and labor. Next, for social, rising customer demand for faster digital and innovative service. NovaBiz most modernized its customer experience to match this preference. This customer expectation have shift towards faster service on application and better customer support. The last one is technological. AI cloud system and e-commerce exchange operational efficiency and customer service. A major opportunity for NovaBiz to fix its operational inefficiencies and boost online sales, which is it will improve operational efficiency, customer service, and online business performance. So the next is competitive force analysis, which is 4 to 5 force. The first one is rivalry among competitors, which is high. Strong competition from local and international firms, with product range and competitive pricing. And at once, digital service reduce market share. The next one is threat of new entrants, which is moderate to high. Easy market enter through digital platform, low investment required for e-commerce, increase industry competition because it's low of investment and increasing competition. Next, rates of substitute, which is a high one. Customer can switch to competitor easily, better online ordering and mobile app. AI powered customer service attract customer, which is AI powered customer service that provide great convenience. The next one is regaining power of buyer, which is high. Many alternative suppliers available, easy price and service comparison. Customer expect faster response and better online service. So from that many customers prefer competitor with better online service and faster response times. Next one is bargaining power of supplier, which is a moderate. Depending on supplier for business product, rising material and transportation costs may increase operating costs and reduce profitability, which is the rising material and transportation costs may increase supplier bargaining power and affect business profitability. So next, we're going to go to the SWOT analysis. Strength, wide range of business support product and service. Strong relationship with SME customer. Wide range of business support product and service, which is its presence in Selangor, Johor, and Penang. Next is weakness. Revenue growth has declined significantly over the past 3 years. Limited digital service compared to competitor. Annual inventory system cost stock, inequalities, and delivery delay, because of limited digital service compared to the competitor. Okay, for the opportunities, adoption of AI, cloud technology, and e-commerce, expansion into new digital market and online service, and government support for SME digital transformation. The next one is threats. Intense competition from local and international companies, rapid technological change that may make existing business practice obsolete, increasing customer expectation for fast and convenient online service, rising operating costs due to inflation and higher labor expenses. Next, internal and external environment analysis. For the external opportunity and threats. External opportunity, adoption adoption of AI cloud-based system and e-commerce, government support for SME, digital transformation, growing demand for digital business solution, opportunity to expand online service and customer reach, which is the increasing demand for digital business solution also create potential for Nova-based solution to expand its online service and reach within the customer base. For the external threats, strong competition from local and international companies, rising customer expectation for faster digital service, inflation and increasing operating costs, risk of reduced profitability and market share. Which is by changing customer expectation for faster and more convenient online service, increase the pressure to improve digital capability. Its rising inflation and higher operation costs also threat the company profitability and long-term growth. For the internal strength and weakness, internal strength, established since 2016 with strong market presence, wide range of business support product and service, strong relationships with SME customer, range across several major states. This strength provide a solid foundation for future business expansion and digital transformation. Next, for internal weakness, declining revenue growth over the past 3 years, limited digital service and manual inventory itself, delivery delays affecting customer satisfaction with interdepartmental communication, limited employee training and innovation support, which is weak communication between department, limited employee training, and low support for innovation have effect on employee engagement and the company ability to respond effectively to changing market demands. Next, for the competitive advantage to develop, strengthen digital capabilities, AI, e-commerce, and cloud system, improve customer experience, and ulang balik. Next, for competitive advantage to develop, strengthen digital capabilities like AI, e-commerce, and cloud system, improve customer experience and operational efficiency, reduce delivery delay, encourage employee training and workplace innovation, differentiated through customer-focused service, support sustainable business growth. Which is by combining digital transformation, operational excellences, and customer-focused service, Nova-based solution can differentiate itself from competitor and achieve sustainable business growth. Next, propose strategic action. The first one is accelerate digital transformation, implement AI product customer support and cloud inventory system, invest employee training and innovation, improve communication between department, exchange workplace safety practice, review business strategy regularly, monitor market trends and changing customer needs. Which is management should ensure workplace safety, practice regular review its business strategy, and monitor market trends to ensure the company remains competitive. It will adapt to changing customer needs and achieve sustainable long-term growth, and the company also can achieve organization goals. So that's all from me. So I'm going to give this part to Fatin.
Next, for part B, creativity and innovation enhancement plan. So for task 4, factors affecting creativity in the organization. So this slide explains the main factors that reduce creativity and make employees resistant to change. Firstly, lack of management support. So management support is very important. If managers reject new ideas because of cost or risk, employees will lose confidence and become less motivated to share creative ideas. And then only 35% agree management encouraging innovation. So secondly, low employee involvement in decision making. Only 30% feel involved in decision making. When their opinions are ignored, they feel less value and contribute fewer innovative ideas. And then for the third one, insufficient training opportunity. Only 40% agree training is sufficient. And without creativity, digital or problem-solving training, employee may not have the skills to develop innovative solutions. And then the next one is poor communication between departments. Only 38% say interdepartmental communication is effective. So when departments do not share information effectively, so collaboration becomes weak and work is delayed. And for the lastly, lack of recognition for creative ideas. Only 25% feel creative ideas are recognized. So if creative ideas are not appreciated or rewarded, employee will stop contributing new ideas. Proposed workplace enrichment initiative. So to overcome this problem, organization implements several workplace enrichment initiatives, which is the first one is build a culture of innovation and psychological safety. Create a workplace where employees feel safe to share ideas without fear of criticism. And for the second one is promote diversity and inclusion. Encourage teamwork across department. Value diverse perspectives and ideas. And for the third one is encourage autonomy and flexibility work. Give employees more responsibility and flexibility so that they will feel trusted and motivated. And then next, invest in upskilling and continuous learning. Provide regular training to improve creativity, digital knowledge and problem-solving skills. And then next is leverage digital tools and AI. Use digital technology and AI to improve efficiency and support better decision making. And then for the last one, recognize and reward creativity. Reward employees with awards or incentive to encourage them to continue sharing creative ideas. So this initiative help build more innovation and motivate workplace. Next. Okay, so for this slide, task 5, leadership roles in creativity and innovation. So role of leaders in encouraging innovation, building creative culture, and motivating employees. So leaders play an important role in creating an innovative and creative organization. The first one is set a clear vision and innovative strategy. So leaders should provide a clear direction so that employees will understand the organization's innovation goals. And the next one is empower employee. Delegate authority and involve employees, encourage entrepreneurship and new ideas. They should trust employees by giving them authority to make decisions and contribute ideas. And then for the third one is model creative behavior. Be open to change and innovation, learn from failures, and encourage risk-taking. So leaders should lead by example, accept new ideas, and learn from failures. And then the next one is build innovative capacity through resources and tools. Invest in training and technology, support idea development and implementation. So organizations should invest in training, technology, and tools that can support innovation. The next one is encourage collaboration across functions. Leaders should promote teamwork and knowledge sharing across departments. So this can improve communication and knowledge sharing. And then for the last one, evaluate and scale innovation. Leaders should measure innovation performance and implement successful ideas throughout the organization. In short, effective leadership creates a culture where innovation can grow. So for the next one is propose an innovation action plan. So the first one is employees are less innovative. That is the issue. And then our objective is to encourage idea generation. To achieve this, we propose establishing an employee suggestion program and create a psychological safe workplace where employees feel comfortable sharing ideas without fear of criticism. So this initiative will be managed by the HR manager and implemented within 1 month. So as a result, we expect employees to generate more creative ideas and increase participation in innovation. And then for the second one is insufficient training. So the objective is to improve employees' creativity and digital skills. We recommend organizing regular innovation workshop, design thinking session, and digital skills training. So this program will be conducted by HR manager in every quarter. This will help employees become more creative, competent, and better prepared to solve workplace problems. And then for the third one is for communication between departments. So the objective is to strengthen collaboration. We propose holding monthly cross-functional meetings and team building activities to improve communication and information sharing. And then the responsible person is operation manager. So better collaboration will reduce misunderstanding, improve teamwork, and speed up problem solving. And then the next one is manual inventory system. So the objective is to support digital innovation and improve operational efficiency. We recommend implement a cloud-based inventory management system together with AI-powered tools to improve stock management and decision making. And it will led by IT manager, complete within 6 months. So the expected outcome is higher inventory accuracy, faster operation, and improved efficiency. And then the next one is lack of recognition. So the objective is to increase employee motivation. We suggest introduce innovation awards and reward employees who contribute valuable ideas. And then this will be managed by HR manager every quarter. As a result, employees' effort will motivate them to continue sharing creative ideas and strengthen the organization innovation culture. And then for the last one, the issue is no evaluation of innovation. And then the objective is to ensure continuous improvement. We recommend reviewing innovation performance using key performance indicators or KPIs such as the number of ideas implemented, employee participation, and customer satisfaction. Top management will review these KPIs every quarter. As a result, this will help the organization measure progress, identify areas for improvement, and ensure an innovation becomes a continuous process. So overall, this action plan provides a structured approach to solve the organization creativity and innovation challenge. That's all. I'll pass to Dayang.
Okay, I will present about Part C, Occupational Safety and Health, OSH Improvement Plan. It is about Test 6, Occupational Safety and Health. The first one is Occupational Safety and Health Act 1994, Act of 514. Malaysian law requires employees and employers to cooperate in preventing workplace accidents, diseases, and hazards to guarantee a safe, healthy, and protected working environment for everyone. The second one is duty of care, the legal and moral duty to protect people from harm at work. Employers must provide a hazard-free workplace, proper safety tools, and clear procedures. The next one is employers must follow safety rules and avoid reckless actions that endanger themselves or their co-workers. Next is employee responsibility and clearing gaps. Employers must provide a safe environment, working equipment, safety training, and writing OSH policy and emergency plans. Nova Bills management have fallen behind. There is no active safety commitment, zero employee safety training over 2 years, and no recent emergency drills. Nova Bills must immediately fix these gaps to stay legally compliant and reduce workplace accident risks. The second one is employee responsibilities and actions. Employers must look out for their own safety and their colleagues' safety. Follow rules, use safety gear, and report hazards. Nova-based staff need to practice safe lifting techniques, actively report workplace hazards like wet falls or faulty parts, and capacitant fully in upcoming safety training. The next one is safety and health organization. The next one is safety and health organization in nation. I will explain about roles of 3 organizations. The first one is Department of Occupation Safety and Health, DOSH, a government department under the Ministry of Human Resources. Their roles are enforce OSH laws, conduct workplace inspection, and ensure employers protect workers across almost all industry in Malaysia. The second one is National Institute of Occupation Safety and Health, NIOSH, a government licensed industry focused on support and training. Their roles are promote safety by offering safety courses or simulations, provided expert consultancy, and conduct research, helping business health safety habits. The third one is Social Security Organization, also known as SOSO or PAKESO. It is a government agency under the Employees Social Security Act 1969. Their roles are provide social security protection, financial compensation, and medical benefits to employees who face workplace injury, disease, or invalidity. Okay, next one I will explain about safety practice. This is about report the current safety practice. The first one is current OSH witnesses. There's no commitment, nor act safety of health commitment to monitor operations. The next one is zero training, no employee safety training to conduct over the 2 years. And also pro communication safety reduces are not clearly displayed or visible. And the next one is broken system. The accident reporting process is completely ineffective. The last one is no drills, emergency evaluation drills have not been run recently. And these are workplace incidents log as a result impact. The lack of proper safety practice has directly led to 22 total accidents. These are 8 slip falls due to wet floors or poor signage, 6 improper lifting incidents in warehouse and printing sectors, 5 minor warehouse incidents handling office supply inventory, and the last one is 3 electrical hazard reporting printing or office equipment. Next, I will explain about the purpose of occupation safety and health improvement plan. First is the purpose of OSH MS 1722 implementation plan. Firstly, OSH policy, they have to write and sign a formal safety policy to improve management its commitment to a hazard-free workplace for all 85 employees. The second one is planning. Identify workplace hazard and set concrete safety goals to target the required issues. Next one is implementation and operation. Form the safety and health commitment, launch mandatory staff safety training, put up clear safety signs, and run scheduled emergency evacuation drills. The fourth one is checking and collection action. Feed the broken incidents reporting system. Truly investigate any new incidents and run routine safety audits to catch hazard early. The last one is management review. Have exclusive review audit results and employee feedbacks regularly to update policies. Ensure the safety system evolves as the business grows. This is the improvement of safety and health commitment structure by the plan of each staff that can be planned. The first one is chairman, also known as manager. List the commitment, drive safety, alternatives, and signs off an official OSH policy. The second is security, or also known as safety officer or HR rep. Coordinates meeting, management safety records, and keep tracking data organization. For management representative, oversees daily workplace safety, allocate resources, and implement operations fixes. For the last one, employee representative, act as the eyes and ears on the ground, reporting hazard, sharing team concerns, and promoting safe hazard among coworkers. And the plan of current safety practices. Operation failures, no oversights, complete absence of an active safety and health commitment, knowledge gaps. Is zero safety training provided to staff over the 2 years. There are also hidden rules, safety guidelines, and emergency procedures are not visibly displayed. The last one is system breakdown. Ineffective incidents reportedly and no recent emergency drills. This the accidents roles. The structure gaps directly cause 32 records workplace accidents, 8 slips and falls. The second one is 6 improper lifting injuries, the 5 in minor warehouse accidents, and 3 electrical hazards. I will pass to Fatin to explain the conclusion.
For the conclusion, have 3, which is the good, the challenges, and to fix. Okay, so for the good, strong SME customer relationship an established market presence, and a diverse range of business services. And the challenges is declining revenue, outdated manual workflows, weak internal communication, and severe OSH gaps, which is no safety committee or recent training. And then for the last one is to face. So the company must prioritize digital transformation, workflow automation, employee training, and strict safety compliance to regain its competitive edge. And this is the reference. That's all from
That's
us.
us. Thank you.
Thank you.